As the caption of this video says, Animal Company, if you see this, please watch. So I know this probably won't get to Animal Company, but y'all actually banned me. Yeah, I think I got banned. Look. On mine it says Animal Company, please, if you can comment them, tell me what connection time down. Please tell me. So thankful, because now you don't have to look and get 10 cluster. Like, every time, did you ban me or is this a glitch? Because it's happened with a few other games. Glitch but it says connection time down. I'm not really dead yet. No, it's fine. We shouldn't make no fuss. Plus, I don't know. I'm just I do have a seat, the landmine. And I don't know. Backgrounds. I don't know to go to where I'm going or
Let's go on an adventure.
Animal Company. People are actually stealing some of your content and other people's content, Animal Company content. They took this official trailer. They're doing it on mobile and stuff. With videos and stuff. And they took this whole thing, acting like it was from an Animal Company. And then when I downloaded it, a lot of people downloaded it to see how team it is. Like other YouTubers who actually have a VR tried it. It's not that's so loud, but if you can hear what I was saying, Animal Company, you're actually getting mobile ripoff, like the Gorilla Tag mobile ripoffs that came out, started a while back. Gorilla Tag. That's one of our first Animal Company. Not even dead yet. Victory. Natural homicide. Could be high. That's all. Bye. Just kidding.